Hi there guys.
Hi there guys.
Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. As you can see, I've been out of action for a little while. I broke my thumb probably about 6 weeks ago on my daughter's scooter. That's my daughter. So yeah, I broke my thumb and I haven't been able to do a lot, but it's now got to a point where I have to struggle and do it. Yesterday I did start to film. Sorry, I'm already halfway through a job. I did start to film me doing the starter motor because that had kaput, but it was raining, we didn't really film a lot. What I have got I will put in here if I remember. First port of call, nice new starter motor again, because my other one is knackered again, so I need to make sure I fit that. And I don't know if you can see over there, I'm about to go buy a rear light because somebody decided it would be very acceptable to crash into me and break mine, so I need to get that fitted. Since you've last seen me as well, there you go camera girl, I've also got a new phone. I don't know if film quality is going to be any different, but I've got the Samsung Galaxy S10, thank you Sky. So now filming on that, so hopefully the film quality is going to be better. And oh, and I also bought a welder because there's many things that need welding on this, including this rear step needs redoing for the MOT, and also the exhaust because it's rattling its head off. So as you can probably tell, it's raining because why wouldn't it be? So I'm going to get this fitted. Underneath the van, here is the old starter motor that needs to come out. We've got one bolt at the end there, we've got one bolt there and one on the top. We've got this grounding wire on the gearbox that needs to come off, and I probably can't show you, but up on the top, if I can get anywhere near, just up by there you can just see it, there's a power wire we need to get off. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully I can do it with this bad hand. And once I've done that, the van should work again. Today I am actually in the process of, what the hell's happened there? Of actually taking the old suspension out that we put in and replacing it with the original, because the guy who sold me this suspension sold me some crap. So I need to get the old stuff back on, and an MOT soon, so ideally I need to get the van back to how it should be, ready for the MOT. But I have recently bought a welder, which I'll show you in a minute, so I can get a load of welding done. The rear step just down in there, I welded it last year for the MOT and it just needs to be redone again, and then in some point I will be buying a whole new step. Like I said, get this suspension put back to how it should be because this is absolutely disgusting, and a few other odd jobs. Like I said, MOT soon, so we need to get MOTable. So the reason you haven't seen me is because of this, but I am going to try and keep some videos pumping out. I've got loads I want to get done, I just haven't been able to. Anyway, I'm going to get this lot put back and I will get back to you in a minute. Right, well I did the suspension. It's such a scrappy video, sorry guys, but I've done the suspension. Now time to fit this. As you can see, mine look like they are smoked lenses and this one isn't, but this one has got a massive crack in it, so get these replaced. The only 3 bolts you've got are these 3 at the back, 3 8mm. This one does luckily come with some bulbs, which is quite handy, so I just need to plug that lot in. I'm going to get this off now. The way you do it is through the back here, through there, and you can see there's a bolt at the bottom, and then there's 2 up, 1 over there and 1 over there, and then that will come out and then put the new one in. These little clips here, if you can show them, there's one here, there's one over here, and there's one at the top. They clip into the side of here and stop it from just falling out. That's quite, I didn't even know that. There we go. So I'm not going to be using this part, but I am going to be replacing or stealing one of the bulbs. There we go. Was that bulb stolen?
Ice cream van.
Look at the ice cream van. I want an ice cream van. And all we do is take these bolts off.
And you're gonna lose them in a minute.
Put that roughly where it needs to go and go, yeah, yeah, and then done. Now I need to put these bolts back on, and then I need to get another light. That looks stupid. Look, one yellow one, one not yellow one. See? And then all these are little, you probably won't be getting there to be honest, guys. A little 8mm bolts. And then we need to test it. Right, I'm gonna put some brakes and stuff on once I find my keys.
Get in the van.
They're in the van, eh?
I think so.
Is there a light on?
Yes.
One on? Which one is it?
White.
That's just another job done. I'm not sure if it's going to be its own video or if I'm going to chuck another one out, or if I'm just going to add to this, but you'll figure this all out in a minute. But there's a couple more jobs done. I like the fact that someone has scraped up the side of my van. But there we go, quite quick, easy, simple. I'm going to get off now, get myself cleaned, get some food. See you in a bit. Something I have noticed is when you put the lights on, this side, just the normal, when you put the normal side lights on, this one does not come on. Let's just make it a bit clearer. Nothing on. That one is on. Hopefully it's something as easy as a fuse. Under here is the fuses, as probably you will already know. I did have to remove this one because that's the one for the windscreen wipers. When the ignition's on, it just continuously goes on. So replace that fuse, make sure they're all pushed in as well. So that fuse there, which hopefully you can see, is that blue one? I think it's like number, there you go, number 5. Hopefully now, when I put the key in, the windscreen wipers won't go mad. Oh, and they do. Oh. Oh, I think I fixed that. Apparently it was just a fuse. So there we go. That was an easy fix, just a fuse. So now I'm going to double check all the other fuses, make sure I haven't blown a fuse for the rear lights. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it is that. But at least there's one problem fixed. Let's see what I can figure out with this one. Oh, what's that for? There we go. Now, well, you can see that, but that is a blown 10 amp fuse. That was in location number 8, so replace that. So that there, which was number 8, that was blown. In case you don't know what a blown fuse looks like, there is, oops, there is a blown fuse. You can see, oops, sorry, you can see there, that's broke. There's like a, the circuit isn't complete. Whereas if you look at an unbroken one, so a broken fuse, there you go, you can see it's a break there. That doesn't make a complete circuit. Well, that's an unbroken one. So the broken one can go bye bye. And turn the lights on. Yes, that's 199,000 miles. But there you go. My cluster hasn't been illuminated when turning on the lights, and now it does. Which hopefully also means this light is illuminated. And so is this one. So there we go. Quite an easy couple of fixes just by doing some fuses. So as you've seen at the end of that, it did start to rain, so I had to call it off, but hopefully there's enough footage in this little bit of just little bits and bobs I've managed to do the last couple of days. Just as easy as putting a couple of new fuses into the van. Windscreen wipers work perfectly, and so do the rear lights and the cluster, which is amazing. Go get yourself a cheap box of fuses. They are a £5 for a whole box, and they help with any vehicle. And as you've seen, something as simple as a new fuse makes everything work better. So very pleased about that. The next video I'm going to do, I have bought a new welder and I need to do some welding again. Got to get that done, and then pretty much it's the MOT. So see what fails and repair that. So hopefully this has been a good video for you guys, and now you can see why I haven't been posting videos. I have so many ideas to do, but unfortunately I just cannot do them at the minute. In about 10 days, no, in about 18 days, should be getting this taken off and start the healing process and back to normal then. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button and take it easy.